Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on Agoda. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in agoda.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official Agoda website where you might be asked to log into your account using your email address and your password. After signing in to your account, you will end up on your home page. Now from your home page, to edit your profile, just click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Profile. This will then take you into your profile menu. Now from this page, you can edit your username by clicking on the Edit button. Then you can simply type in your desired first and your last name and click on the Save button to save your settings. You can also verify your email address and add a phone number to your account if you haven't done so by clicking on the Add button, and if you want to change it, you will see an Edit button if you have already added your phone number. Underneath the phone number section, you will also find your password. You can click on the Edit button and then you will be allowed to change your password. Underneath the User Details section, you will find the payment methods. If you have added any payment method, you will be able to select your payment method within this window. You can select your payment method from this section, and underneath you will see various options to subscribe to email notifications from Agoda. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to edit your profile on Agoda. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.